Trigonometric identities. In this section, we shall derive expression for trigonometric functions of the sum and difference of two numbers and related expression. The basic result in this connection are called trigonometric identities. We now state and prove some important trigonometric identities like as sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, sec square x minus tan square equal to 1, cosec square x minus cot square equal to 1. With the help of unit circle, we can derive the given identities. Suppose that the radius of given circle is 1. There is a point P whose coordinate are a, b. Let there is a real number with x. We can write here sin x or cos x. In the given triangle OMP, we can find sin x and cos x. Sin x equal to b upon 1, so we can write here only b. Sin x equal to b. Similarly, cos x equal to a. In triangle OMP, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Then we can write here MP square plus OM square equal to OP square. Now we can substitute the values of MP. You can write here MP is perpendicular, so we can write here b square. OM equal to base, we can write here a, and OP equal to 1, where OP is radius of unit circle. Then we can substitute. Now we can find first identity sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. We can divide the given identity by sin square x and cos square x to get 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x or 1 plus cot square x equal to cosec square x. For any real number x, we can write here cos minus x equal to cos x, because in fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive, so we can write here tan minus x equal to minus tan x. In fourth quadrant tan, cot, sin, cosec are negative, so we will write here with negative sign sin, cosec, cot and tan. Very important identity now we will derive. X and y be any two real numbers, then cos x plus y equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. We can consider a unit circle here. Then OA equal to 1, OB and OC are equal. Then the coordinate of point A, B 1, 0, coordinate of point B cos x sin x, coordinate of point C cos x plus y sin x plus y, and coordinate of D cos minus y sin minus y, because here this angle is negative, and angle AOBX, angle BOCY, then angle AOD minus y. We can write here. We can take here two triangle OCA and OBD are congruent, because OA equal to OB and OD equal to OA, and we can write here OB equal to OC. Applying CP/CT, we can say that CA equal to BD. If CA equal to BD, we can apply here distance formula to find the distance, to find the length CA, like this. CA equal to, applying distance formula, root 1 minus cos x plus y plus 0 minus sin x plus y. After simplification, we have CA equal to root 2 minus 2 cos x plus y. Similarly, we can find BD. CA equal to BD, we can substitute equal. CA equal to BD, we can substitute squaring on both sides. After simplification, we have cos x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. If I will replace here y by minus y, we can get cos x minus y equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. You can see the proof. We know that sine 90 minus x equal to sine x, because in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. But how we can prove the given condition? So we can write here cos 90 minus x equal to cos 90 into cos x plus sine 90 into sine x. We know that the value of cos 90 is 0, so this value becomes 0, and cos sine 90 equal to 1 we can write here. In first quadrant we can write here cos 90 minus x equal to sin x. Similarly, all trigonometric ratios we can prove. To prove sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, we can write here sin x plus y equal to cos 90 minus x plus y. Then cos 90 minus x minus y we can make here bracket. Now we can apply cos x minus cos y identity, cos 90 minus x into cos x or cos y plus sin 90 minus x into sin y. Then cos 90 minus x equal to sin x, as we have done at the above part, into cos y plus sin 90 minus x equal to cos x into sin y. Sin x minus y equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. If I will replace here y by minus y, we can prove the given identity as sin x plus y plus minus y. Then we can find the identity sin x minus y equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Similarly, we can find sin 90 plus x equal to minus sin x. In second quadrant, sin or cos are positive, rest are negative. So we can write here cos 90 plus x equal to minus sin x, and sec 90 plus x equal to minus cosec x, tan 90 plus x equal to minus cot x, and sin 90 plus x equal to cos x. Because cosec is reciprocal of sin, so we can write here cosec 90 plus x equal to sec x, cot 90 plus x equal to minus tan x. Similarly, we can write here cos 180 minus x equal to minus cos x, sec 180 minus x equal to minus sec x, tan 180 minus x equal to minus tan x. Because 180 minus x lies in second quadrant, so in second quadrant sin and cosec are positive, rest are negative. To prove, we can write here cos 180 plus x equal to cos 180 into cos minus x minus sin 180 into sin minus x. Using the identity, we can write here the value of cos 180 is minus 1. We know that cos minus x equal to cos x, sin 180 value 0, sin minus x equal to minus sin x. So we can write here cos 180 minus x equal to minus cos x. Using these identities, we can find the values of function for some special angle. Sin 15 we can write sin 45 minus 30. Now apply here identity sin x minus y. Sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. Now we can put here the values of sin 45 and cos 30. After simplification, sin 15 degree equal to root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Similarly, we can write here sin 75 sin 45 plus 30. Again apply here identity sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Put here x equal to 45 and y equal to 30. After substituting the values of angle of 30 and 45, we have sin 75 degree equal to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Similarly, we can find other values.